Hi, my name is Madix Barrett, and today I'm going to be addressing a very common old wives' tale. The belief that if you swallow chewing gum, it stays in your stomach for 7 years. This project uses scientific evidence to explain why the belief is incorrect and how the digestive system actually works. Many of us were taught as children that swallowing chewing gum is dangerous because it sticks inside your stomach for years. This warning is usually passed down by parents as a way to discourage children from swallowing non-food items. However, this explanation is not supported by biology and stems from a misunderstanding of digestion. This myth highlights the importance of the nature of science. Science works by testing ideas and replacing assumptions with evidence. As our understanding of human physiology improves, researchers were able to explain digestion more accurately, allowing us to correct long-standing misconceptions like this one. At the cellular and molecular level, chewing gum contains synthetic rubbers, resin, and elastomers. Digestive enzymes like amylase and protease break down carbohydrates and proteins, but they cannot chemically digest them. Importantly, not being digestible does not mean something stays in the stomach. It simply passes through unchanged. At the organismal level, digestion relies on peristalsis, rhythmic muscle contractions that move material through the digestive tract. This process works whether food is digestible or not. Research shows that swallowing gum typically moves through the body within about 48 hours, which is completely normal. From an ecological and evolutionary perspective, exaggerated warnings help keep children safe. Over time, these warnings become cultural traditions rather than scientific explanations. This helps explain why gum myths persist even though it's not biologically accurate. The ethical concern with myths like this is that misinformation can create unnecessary fear and it erodes trust in science. Media exaggeration of rare medical cases can reinforce these beliefs. This makes it a lot harder for the public to distinguish evidence-based information from the cultural myths that are passed on from generation to generation. Across medical, physiological, and clinical research, the evidence is consistent. Chewing gum does not stick in the digestive tract. Instead, it behaves like other indigestible materials and exits the body naturally, supported by extensive peer-reviewed research. In conclusion, the belief that gum stays in the stomach for 7 years is a myth, rooted in cultural precaution and not biology. Understanding digestion at multiple biological levels allows us to replace fear-based explanations with genuine scientific clarity.